Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to unlock bootloader for Lenovo Tab Plus TB351FU. That's the model number. Okay, go to the about phone section multiple times on software version, tap on multiple times on software version. There you will be able to enable developer option. Okay, go to the general setting, then scroll down for a developer option and enable OEM unlock option. If you scroll down, you will see enable the OEM unlock option, and then enable USB debugging. Other settings are not mandatory, but these two settings must be on. The complete setup requires Linux operating system. Currently there is no Windows support, so power off the device, and in any stage if the device doesn't work, then you have to press volume down button plus power button. The device will reboot automatically. If you need stock firmware, the same stock firmware that you have installed in your device, if it is the latest one, you have to download the latest firmware. The link will be mentioned in the description or in the comment, pin comment. Okay, you can go through it and follow the steps as shown in the video. Okay, it is pretty much encrypted, so you need a Lenovo Flash XML helper. This will basically decrypt the complete code and give you the files that we need for unlocking the bootloader. We have to download this repo file and make a separate folder in the on the desktop and paste it there. Any error occurred, please mail me, because a different system might have, different distro might have issue. So if any error occur, either drop your message to Telegram or mail me. Here we make this file install.sh as executable as program, and open the terminal or by right clicking it. The instruction is pretty much given in the readme file. You can simply copy paste the code and follow the instructions. It will take a couple of minutes to download all the necessary files. Remember to rename the folder path and the output dir. Okay, by default the folder, the stock firmware should be on the desktop. If it is on the desktop, the code will run. If it is not, you have to edit the code. Okay, the package dir and output dir. It is showing you where to paste your files and how to run it. Okay, so let's read back the readme file and copy quick start code as it is. If you get any directory error, just check the directory. Your directory path is invalid, that could give you the error. Okay, after that the ROM decrypt file is generated. Here we have the decrypt file which will need to flash our bootloader files. Okay, so if we need this file for the bootloader pro tool, encrypted data, stock firmware. Now we have to all the details are given there. We have to copy all these helper files, all these files, decrypted files, into the helper folder. So we need this tool now, the bootloader unlock. Simply download it. I have mentioned here which file we need for the flashing. Okay, all these 4 files are required. After unlocking, the bin file will be generated in your directory. Just make that save somewhere. Okay, you don't need to repeat this step every time. Just keep that bin file that is specifically made for your device. Here all the details are given, and the code we simply just copy paste it and run the code. It will take time depending on the internet speed. It is now downloading all the required files. If you get any error here, simply install it in a virtual environment. Okay, so now we will run actual. Before running the code, we need the asset file. Okay, so you have to wait. We already have the decrypt file. Where it is? We already have the ROM decrypt file, so we have to just copy paste everything. We need to copy the decrypted files back to our bootloader folder. I can't provide these files because of copyright claims, but you can yourself generate it and you can import it into your folder. Copy the files that are outside SP flash tool bundle. Don't copy the file that are inside the SP flash tool bundle. The files we need is the outside of the SP flash tool bundle. Copy all the files, it in our asset folder, bootloader unlock main asset folders. Since we have all the required files, now simply run the unlocker command. But before that, power off your device, plug in your USB-C type, power off your device, press and hold volume up button and plug in the USB charging port, and as soon as you plug in, press enter into your terminal, like execute the code. Hold volume up button until you see that the code has detected your device. Once the code has detected your device, you can leave the volume up button. For the stage 2 flashing hardware sign token, hold and press the volume up button, unplug the wire, we plugged it, and then press enter. Basically what it is doing is sending a file in your hardware. The hardware is signing that file and then reflashing the same file into the hardware. The bootloader is unlocked. Your device will not format. Your device is unlocked. You can verify it by going into Fastboot. So for going into the Fastboot, you can press volume up, volume down button and power button to power it on. And then recovery will load, and from there you can go into the reboot bootloader section. As you can see, the OEM is unlocked. If anyone who has good in making videos, you can make a clean and easy to understand video of how to unlock this bootloader. Thank you for watching.